Cutting-CHM. This is our CHM 1700. This is the on-wing stand. It has 2 rows. And this is the motor. This is the sliding knife unit. You can see there are 3 sliding knives. This part is the single rotary knife, the cross-cutting knife. This part is a conveying unit. There is a static remote system. The stacking unit. After the paper was cut by the cross-cutting knife, then paper will stacking at here. And you also can choose the label insert system. And this also can be moved. You can adjust the color. You can see the operator panel is Siemens brand. So operation is very easy. Color